Kamusta mga maayong tao? Today we are going to learn a cardistry move and it is called Go with the Flow. So this was inspired by so many card displays and twists and flares, and then I ended up with this move. This move is not for beginners, it's more of an advanced intermediate type of move. And in this video, I slowed it down so you guys can follow along. Okay, enough talking. Let's get down to the move. Simulan na natin. And that's it. Let's go with the flow. If you want to learn more cardistry moves, or if you want to learn the basics or the stuff that I do, please let me know in the comments below. And let's start shuffling. If you want to see more magic, cardistry, and all the stuff that I do, please make sure you're subscribed. And magkita-kits tapuhan.